Hey everybody, Abdullah here. Today we're going to go over some of the IPOs that are coming out this week. A lot of companies are trying to go public with the market being so hot, whether it's through SPOCs, traditional IPOs, etc. Companies are trying to get the highest price per share with impending uncertainty with the market, COVID-19, and a potential second wave this upcoming fall with the flu season. So companies are taking advantage of the market and coming out this week. We're headlined by Unity Software, Sumo Logic, Jfrog, and Snowflake. Um, Today I wanted to discuss my favorite stock. I've been talking about it for the past couple of years. I think it's a once in a generation type company that could potentially grow and do really well. And that company is Snowflake. It's a cloud data platform. The company integrates with different data warehouses, whether it's Google, Microsoft Azure, AWS, SAP BW, Oracle Cloud. Companies store their data in a lot of different databases. Transactional data comes through a lot of different avenues, whether it's through their ERP systems, online websites, etc. And so they use various cloud platforms, and some companies will use one, but in many instances, especially with small companies, you have data stored in various places. So taking that data from those warehouses and sources, the company gives customers the tools to be able to data engineer, use data science, analytics, etc., to gain insights into their data, whether it's their customer base, whether it's how their business is doing, etc., to be able to get that those analytics to the decision makers at the company to make the right decisions for decision making purposes, how to take the company in the future, or to be able to shift the strategy of the company. So it's a platform that's used by a lot of customers. The company had about 1,000 customers last year. They've grown to about 3,000 customers in the current year. Those are enterprise customers with huge companies using it, as well as some of the smaller companies. So a lot of diversity in the customer base. The company's revenues have grown significantly since last year, 132% year-over-year growth, with their revenue being about 264 million for the 6 month ended June 30, 2020. The company has great management, with the CEO being Frank Slootman. It's the same CEO that took ServiceNow public, as well as Data Domain. This is his third IPO. He's had tremendous success. ServiceNow obviously going from a $23 IPO price to now it's trading at about $487. He led the company from 2011 to 2017. He was retired, but he had to come back for Snowflake because he thought it was a once in a generational company, once in a lifetime opportunity to come back and take this company public as well. They were founded in 2012. The founders still work at the company, but they aren't part of the executive management. They basically handed that over to other people to run the company, and they've picked a tremendous CEO in Frank Slootman to be able to take this company public. The company continues to do well in the current year, and they're expected to continue to grow as they're going to IPO with the additional investment this week of Salesforce, $250 million, as well as big surprise Berkshire Hathaway with $500 million. They traditionally don't invest in IPOs or tech companies, but they have in this instance. They see a moat that Snowflake has when it comes to analytics, and their connections with all these data warehouses and being able to tap into them. So it's a company that everybody's investing in. It's going to be hot. My strategy going to the week is to be able to put 50% of the total investment I want to put in Snowflake IPO, which is September 16th, and then from there do the remaining 50% of the remaining money potentially in a couple weeks, and then the final 50% of what's remaining from that maybe in a month or two, based off of how the company grows, to be able to just get the best cost average. So this is a stock you should definitely look into. Do your research. Make sure to keep an eye on it, and make informed decisions this week with all the IPOs coming out. This is my IPO pick. Stay tuned for more from Abdullah. As always, subscribe, like, and comment below. Take care. Bye.